Welcome to the Topic Series. Today we're talking about tactical products manufactured by Paulson Manufacturing. The item that we're highlighting today is the model 510T tactical goggle. The 510T is a high-profile goggle with a hard-coated wide peripheral lens to give you good vision to the sides. It has a double lens so that the inner lens is designed specifically for anti-fog characteristics, and the anti-scratch coated outer lens is designed for ballistic resistance. We have a bezel that completely surrounds the goggle lens, and this bezel locks the goggle to the frame. So if I'm pulling on the frame like this, you'll see that it does not come apart. It has a soft silicone frame with locations here for the temples of your glasses or sunglasses, if you are wearing those, to come through the frame. The frame will fit both Occidental and Oriental faces. It's fully vented, but the vents are all covered. You can see the vents running all the way around the goggle as covered vents. This allows this goggle to be classified as a chemical splash goggle. This is very important for when objects and liquids, Drano, and all these types of things are thrown at a police officer, keeps it from coming to the interior. The strap system is elastic, has a quick adjustment here on the side. When you pull this forward, it will automatically loosen, and to adjust the goggle, all you do is pull that strap back. One pull and you've immediately tightened it. Has a unique buckle arrangement to the rear, so if you are deployed and you have not yet put on your goggle, and all of a sudden the requirement is for you to put your goggle on, you don't have to take your helmet off to achieve it. All you have to do is push this unit right together in the back of your head, it snaps together, and now you have locked the straps together in the back of the helmet. This is a helmet compatibility feature, so that if you're wearing it directly on your head, the strap will be coming straight back, but if it's on the helmet, that'll be wider, and this adjusts for that. And our feature of just the one touch to be able to loosen or adjust the strap is not affected by the angle that this is at. The other goggle in this family is the 510TN. The 5TN has all of the features and benefits of the 510T that I previously described, but it also has this built-in nose cover. The built-in nose cover is not a separate piece. It is an integral part of this lower bezel, so there's nothing to come off or get lost. We had found that officers were getting injuries to the nose. With that might have been sharp glass injuries, impact injuries, and even sunburn. From long deployment outside, they could get a sunburn. So this nose cover provides a lot of protection to the nose. And since it's completely integrated into the goggle, there is nothing to come loose or to be concerned about on the goggle.